Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on your Samsung Galaxy F14. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here locate the advanced features. You should see motions and gestures, and now let's check how they work. First one being lift to wake. Now if you lock your phone and pick it up in a grip, it should wake up your phone like that without pressing any button. Next one is double tap to turn on and off your screen, and if you double tap it should lock your screen, but I don't know, the double tap to turn off doesn't work properly, as in some apps it won't lock your phone, but if you double tap when your phone is locked it will work fine. Next is alert when phone is picked up. If you enable it and receive any call or message while you haven't noticed, your phone will vibrate next time you pick it up. Turn over to mute. If you put your phone upside down like that, you can lock it as well. It will mute all incoming calls. And last feature is a fingerprint sensor gesture. If you enable it, you'll be able to scroll down notification bar by using your fingerprint right here. Simply scroll it down like that and you can see that the notification bar pops up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.